Hey, this is Lena giving you guys a quick preview of how I prep my hair before braiding. So most of the time I use this African Collection Expressions, and I pretty much usually always cut it in half because it's easier to work with that way. So my braid rack back there, I call that my braid buddy, my BFF, my best friend. I always use it before I braid. It just makes braiding so much easier, especially doing feed-in braids. But it's actually a thread holder, but you can get it at Walmart, Joann's, Michael's, anywhere. So I cut the hair in half, and I stretch it out before I separate it onto my rack. So here I've stretched the hair out already, and I'm just going to show you guys two different ways that I set the hair up on the rack. So I'm going to post a video on the style I did using these size pieces, which is kind of I did some large feed-in braids. But when I put my pieces on the rack, I always put all the pieces the same size. It just makes it a lot easier. I don't do small to large like a lot of people do. I make them all the same size. And I can set my rack up a lot faster that way. So this is the first way that I set it up. Put all the pieces across once. Then I'll go back and double it and put more pieces around too. So I have twice as many pieces on each row. And this will really make doing your feed-in braids a lot faster, especially if you have your hair prepped prior to your client coming. So I usually just go up, set the whole rack up this way each row. But now I'm going to show you the rubber band method of stacking your pieces on the rack, which allows you to get even more pieces per row. Because when I set my rack up this way, I only need one rack to do a whole head of small feed-in braids. So now I'll just take a rubber band and put it across the pieces. If you have a bigger rubber band, you can stretch it across all 10, but I had some that were a little smaller, so I did it halfway across. And then you go and set up another layer of pieces on top of the rubber bands. The rubber bands keep them separated. Then I'll go back and add another rubber band across so I can have a third layer. And so this is just a quick little preview of how I prep my hair. I do it before every client. It makes the style go a lot faster, and it's easy to just move it around as you need. So I can just grab a piece off as I'm going and keep it moving.